said that Hillary stood down and let our people die. No blood, no gore, no nothing, censoring us. Well, now they're saying they may just completely suspend our account for good. And that means all of the 3 million people that get our information every day over Facebook. And again, people say, well, Facebook owns its own thing, don't use it. Listen, it's been given media promotion. It's been given dominance in the market. It was allowed to do an illegal pump and dump with its stock. He's been to Bilderberg. They advertise as an open comments. Our content gives them value. Then they selectively don't let us operate, but let the White House and Media Matters and CNN, MSNBC, and the Young Turks operate. That's an unfair playing field. That is torturous interference. It is true discrimination. And as our credibility rises, you're going to see the system more and more come in and try to shut down free speech. So here's the bottom line. The canary is being strangled right now in the coal mine. The gas is in the mine. We are the Paul Revere's warning people. And if they can shut us down, they can take everybody down. And the plan is implode the world currencies, nationalize the private and public pension funds, tax them, regulate them, raise taxes by executive order. They're now blaming the people up in Garland by Dallas that got shot at by the jihadis, saying it's their fault in the news that free speech should be restricted because it causes violence. You see where this is all going. They're coming after everybody. But up front is DrudgeReport.com and Infowars.com. If they can get away with harassing us, shutting us down, lying about us, manipulating, doing all this, and curtailing, it will be everybody else as well. In fact, that's already started. The system is a foreign corporate takeover. We have been hijacked. We're going under TPP right now, merging with the NAU and the EU. It is the trilateralist plan, and I hope coming up that I never got to it yesterday that David Knight will read the quotes by Barry Goldwater on this, Senator Goldwater. It's here. Everything we talked about, we're now coming in to the final major phase of Agenda 21, of Cloward and Piven, of the total implosion of our society. But the good news is, historically, this can backfire. You, the people, have the real power. You truly are the resistance. And if you see this for what it is, and tell your friends, your family, your neighbors, Infowars.com is under attack. Listen to this local AM or FM affiliate. This is when the show's on. Or if you become a sponsor of the local affiliate. Or if you support those sponsors and tell them why. More stations will pick us up as they're doing. So we're being attacked because we're growing. We're being attacked because we're able to set the news agenda. We're under attack because we're able to break out and get real stories out there. And the dinosaur media is so weak now. They were arrogant before. Now they realize they're on their last legs. They're dying. And so they're coming in right now trying to shut down free speech and overturn the chessboard because they can't win with their tyranny fair and square up against liberty. So use Facebook, use Twitter, use YouTube, use Pinterest, use Craigslist, use every internet system there is out there. But also go low-tech. Write Infowars.com on things that are passed back and forth to people. In legal and lawful areas to post it on cards, put it in letters to the editor, call into talk radio, talk about it, get aggressive and let them see a major flood response back in their face for what they're doing, because they've legalized propaganda domestically. They're putting out lies. They're coming after everybody. This is so incredibly serious. And on a Richter scale, used to censorship, dirty tricks were a 2 or 3. Now they're like a 7 or 8. And we can see them ramping straight up into the stratosphere. I also shot a video today on the road, but it was unable to upload. If we're able to get it up later in the broadcast, I do want that 10-minute emergency alert aired, and I need all of you when it goes on Infowars.com and PrisonPilot.com to send that on to people, because here's the bottom line. There is a stealth internet free speech takeover that's accelerating. And it's not even really stealth, but it's stealth to the public because they don't pay attention. The FCC's grabbed the web. They're coming in saying they're going to apply election rules to the web. They're saying what's being discussed is going after Drudge. That means everybody. It's here. We're barely able to stay on YouTube. We're barely able to stay on Facebook. We're barely able to stay on Twitter. We have all these bots coming after us. We're being delisted from Amazon's Alexa. They are probing, they are pushing, they are coming in. This is a Nixonian administration on LSD and steroids. They mean business. It's here. So you need to support the InfoWar or lose it. The globalists are moving into their next phase, and they cannot have us in a position to take off today just to talk to lawyers and decide what I'm going to do about Facebook, about Alexa, about companies online manipulating stuff that's going on. I know, according to current law, the stuff that's going on isn't going to fly in court. And again, the level of intensification of tyranny is off the chart. I want to explain something. The TPP being negotiated in secret, I can't believe I'm saying that Congress can't even see. The one section we got, and David and I will talk about this coming up because I know he's an expert on it, is worse than SOPA and CISPA. And so they're basically already operating like SOPA and CISPA are in place. And that's what EFF and other foundations said, is that these corporations will just claim you violated terms of use because they're so wide open, they can discriminate against you. It's the same thing of like saying you won't sell a house to a black person or something. Well, folks know that that's an unfair trade practice, and so there's laws on the books. But what about if you're a conservative or a libertarian, and then people advertise a Craigslist or a Facebook or a Twitter, and they say, sorry, you can't be on there? Already all over the country, they're saying on Craigslist or on other platforms or on newspapers, you can't have a sporting goods shop advertised that sells guns. And now banks are saying to establish sporting goods stores. Remember, it came out last year, they were doing it to Cabela's and others. Oh, you can't be with Bank of America anymore because you sell guns. This is happening. And this is what the Nazis did, was first turn off the economic system of their enemies first. They don't want us to build our own media system, as the Clinton library papers came out last year showed. They said, label as conspiracy theory, shut down new media. We can't allow this to start growing and let people think on their own. These are White House memos. Well, guess what? We did get on the web. The Western Journalism Center and WorldNet Daily did get there. Drudge did get there. InfoWars got there. And now we're there. And the question is, will the people value this information, or will you let them shut down talk radio, which they're openly talking about doing with the Fairness Doctrine, bringing it back under a new name? Will you let them come in and federalize the police? Will you let them come in and shut down our industry? Will you let them put us under these new treaties? It's up to you. The answer is use it while we've still got it to make it so big and so strong they can't shut it down. Let them see that you respond to this. Let them see that it upsets you, that in coordinated action across the board, from Facebook to Alexa, we're seeing intensified censorship and open calls at the FCC to censor political speech, claiming that it's all basically a form of money. And so that when I say I'm against Bloomberg or I'm against somebody, that I'm basically, that's political speech that counts as money. And so I only have $4,000 of speech a year, which I would use up in 5 seconds. That's basically the metrics they have. But Bloomberg can give hundreds of millions of dollars to local candidates to take your guns. He's left alone. So understand this is here, and don't say it won't happen. Yeah, just like torture wouldn't happen, or open borders wouldn't happen, or Obamacare wouldn't happen. It's all happening. The good news is people are upset. They're awake. They know what's going on. They know about militarization of police. They know about the military training to take guns. They know about Katrina. They know about it's out there. And so the battle is joined. The battle is now. Spread the word. At the end of every email you send, have a link to Infowars.com/show and say this is forbidden information, free audio, video feeds to find out about what's really happening. Put that on Facebook right now. Put that on Twitter right now. We're going to put an article out about this. Get it out to everybody you know. And let the system know. They may try to suppress us spreading freedom that's popular on these globalist platforms, but we're going to do it at Infowars.com and PrisonPlanet.com. But they're coming after those as well, with censors and with hackers, black hat hackers, and with the establishment and with everything else. They're coming after it. That's why I've got a whole bunch of different websites, so they can't take them all down as easy. So we'll still have an ace in the hole. We are designed and built to take attacks. But I'm telling you, as a sensor, as a bellwether, as a weather vane, We are here telling you the storm is here. As you already know, we don't know what it's going to be. Global war, dollar devaluation, soft martial law, race riots this summer. The point is they're intensifying the crises everywhere, and out of that they want to bring in the planetary regime. Out of that they want to bring in the planetary tyranny. The most important thing to do is to also spread the word and financially support us at InfoWarsStore.com and InfoWarsLife.com. Buy the products, buy the water filters, buy the nutraceuticals, buy the books, buy the T-shirts, buy the videos. We fund ourselves the old-fashioned way, free will, free association with high-quality products, a win-win. Support us. You've been supporting us. We've built this operation because of you. We're going to continue to move forward against the enemy because of you, and I salute you, and you have this pledge in closing. I'll never back off. I'll never shut up. I'll be on a street corner with my own voice. I'll be hanging up flyers at night if they shut me down completely. And join me in that pledge. Never shut up. Never back down. Get on the march again.
We're on the march.